Well, pretty is as pretty does, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Calpak Luka Duffel bag because I think she's pretty. So let's find out. And make sure you stay tuned to the end when I pack that bag first as a personal item and then for a 5 to 7 day trip. So here's the bag. Now I have been looking at this bag for a very long time because I happen to think that it's a really nice looking bag, and I wanted to know if it would function for me as a new addition to my personal item bags, because you can never have enough when you can't buy shoes. I have big feet. Anyway, so the outside of the bag is made out of this very nice little puffy material, which was one of the things that attracted me to the bag. And let's see what the pockets are. Over here we have a front pocket here, which takes up the whole bottom of the bag. Over here we have a shoe pocket. Now, I don't know how I feel about shoe pockets because I know that they eat into the inside of bags, but I'll take a look at when inside the bag, I'll see how it's constructed, but that's what this is for. I guess it's for when you want to take it to the gym. So in that sense, it does have dual purpose. It does have a trolley pass-through, which is really important to have if you're using it as a personal item bag. And in here is a little secret pocket, goes all through the pass-through that's here. So this whole compartment here is this zip here, and you would keep, I guess, your passport and things that you want to get to real quickly in that side of the pocket. It also has, on this side, the side that doesn't have the shoe compartment, a water bottle compartment or anything else kind of compartment. Let's take a look on the inside of the bag. Well, we have a shoulder strap. I'm going to try to show this to you. Over here is that shoe compartment bag that goes from this side. Now, if you're using it that way, it's definitely eating into your space. You can see that. And when I was looking at the viral backpacks, a lot of them came that way also, and I was not a fan of that. But there is a way, if you don't like this, which, all right, that's clever. There is a way to roll it up and put it away. So if you don't want to use it that way, it has a little snap here. So this is where I snapped in the shoe compartment. Because, like I said, I'm not a fan of shoe compartments. It has a zippered compartment on this side, a little compartment on the side here by the water bottle side. It has two, elastic on this side of the bag, on two. And it has another zippered compartment here. But it seems like that's it on the compartments. So when I compare that to a lot of my other personal item bags, it comes up a little short on pocket space. Also, noticeably missing, I'm just checking to be sure, is a place to put my computer. There is no dedicated place to put your computer, which for me might be a game changer because I always take my computer with me everywhere. So that's a strike. So that's the bag. Now, obviously, you can wear it with the shoulder strap from here. So far, it would make for a good gym bag, but not so much for even a business or an everyday carry because it's missing a computer compartment. And these days, everybody walks around with their computer, so it is missing that. That kind of just makes it a duffel. So let's pack it with just my personal item pack and let's see how that goes. I really like this bag, so I'm willing to make some compromises to see if I can make it work for me, but I'm only willing to go so far because I have some other bags that I've made some compromises for and I would still use them. So let's go over the things that I'm not willing to compromise. Number one, my emergency bag. Voila. Now, I have to see where I'm going to put this, but I usually put this right at the bottom of the bag. And that's where this one's sitting. My hair dryer, because I don't go anywhere without this hair dryer. And that I'm putting also at the bottom. Same thing with the straightener, and I'm putting that at the bottom. Now, I'm a little perplexed where to stick the computer because it doesn't have a dedicated computer pocket. So I'm gonna have to put it against one of these sides, I think, because the bag is padded. If I put it on this side, it might get into trouble with the pass-through. So I'm gonna put it on this side. Now, the bag is padded, so I'm hoping that that's enough padding. I mean, I might use a computer sleeve if I really, really love this bag. My extra pair of shoes, also bottom of the bag. I'm gonna put my crossbody in there. Also, bottom of the bag, my mirror that lights up. And I'm gonna put that in one of the little pockets on the side here. My international cube, I'll stick it here maybe, I don't know. My I bought too much bag, put that on top of my shoes. Over here, my brush. Okay, I'll put the brush here on the side. This is my umbrella. I'm going to put it off to the side for now because that's kind of a fungible item. My everyday pack, that is not. So if I'm going on vacation, that goes with me, along with my convertible handbag. So I'm down to my last couple of items here. Now I don't have to take my mini speaker. I'm going to put it off to the side, along with the umbrella. I have to take my sound machine, or my husband will drive me mad. And what's that other little pocket? There's a little pocket there on the side. So that little pocket there on the side. Well, that leaves my headphones for the flight, my shoes for the flight, my everything but the kitchen sink for the front pocket where I'm sitting for the flight. And if you don't know what's in here, it's in this video over here. And of course, the toiletries. So what I'm thinking, because I'm going to show you where I am in the process. This is already pretty full. And I'm going to put this into this pocket here. Well, that fits. I'm going to put my headphones on top, my slippers on top, my toiletry bag on top. And guess what? I can get my umbrella and my sound machine in there. And she's ready to go. So all that's left to get into this bag is my wallet, my phone, and my glasses. So I feel pretty secure in saying I can zip it up. And I'll put these items in here. 1, 2, and 3. Well, I can say you can do a personal pack with this bag. Now, I'm not going to say that it's particularly well organized, but you can do it. And if you really love the bag that much, then this is a keeper. But there's not a lot of separation of stuff, so you might be plowing through the bag. Depends on how much you really love this bag. The one thing I want to point out to you is it does get kind of wide. Now, the mushiness kind of weighs in its favor and against its favor because I mean, you might be able to squish it under the seat and that would be okay. And you might be able to get it through the checkers at the airport, the cages, dropping cages for measurement. By the way, this is airline compliant. Measurements are below. So now I'm going to try a 5 to 7 day pack with this bag and I feel pretty secure I can do it. Now I'd like to hear your opinions about this bag. So please leave it down in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's pack this bag for a 5 to 7 day trip. In this bag, I have 5 sweaters and a cardigan. I'll put that at the bottom of the bag. And here I have 7 pairs of shirts and my pajamas. That in. Bras, underwears, and socks. My computer, because I never go anywhere without my computer. An extra pair of jeans, my brush, and my toiletry kit. And finally, my handbag, because that has to be packed into this bag if I'm getting it onto the plane. And then I just zipper it up. Now I'll put over here, on this side of the bag, my phone, my wallet, my eyeglasses, and everything gets in there. And I still have this pocket here open for other stuff. But then again, as I said before, this has to get through TSA, because if I'm trying to pass this off as a personal item bag, it's pretty stuffed, as you can see, but still squishable. So I think I would be able to do that. So yes, she can be used for dual duty as both a personal item bag and also to take a 5 to 7 day trip. So my thoughts about this bag. Do I think it's a pretty bag? Yeah, I think it's a really pretty bag. Do I think it's very functional? I've had more functional bags. I cannot lie. Well, I was hoping that it would have a computer compartment, but it didn't. But that's me. Your usage may be different. And I thought it could have used more pockets. I feel a little bit like it's like any other duffel, but just prettier, which it really is. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below.